Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful pop-up card, keep on watching. First, you're going to take a normal sized paper and fold it hot dog style, so long ways. And then now that you have that crease, you're going to cut it down the line. And on the first half, you're going to fold the top side to the left. So you're going to create this little triangle, and then you're going to cut it off. Make sure you make it straight. And then you're going to repeat this process 7 times. So I'm going to fold it and cut. So what this makes, it's a square. Alright, now that you have all your little triangles, you're going to get one and then open it. So now you're going to fold the line. And then now you have another triangle, and you're going to make a fold up on each side. The left point touches the top point. Alright, now you have another little square, and then you have little flaps. The flaps are going to go to the left. And now I have a template of the petal that I want. You can do whatever petal you want, whatever shape you want, but I recommend this one. It's just a little arc because it looks more like a flower. But if you think other petals look better, then go ahead and do that. Now we have folded this piece of paper many times, so it's pretty thick and it's hard to cut, so be very careful. Now repeat this process for 6 more times so you can have your 7 flowers. Now that you have your flowers, open one up and you are going to color it. Color it however you would like. I am just going to do a basic flower and add yellow on the center and add a little bit of orange on the little lines that we made, the little creases, and then a little bit of lines in the middle. And then on that X, we are going to cut that petal off. Okay, now we are done, and we're gonna end up gluing it later on. Now do that to all of your flowers. Alright, now that you have them all done, you're gonna take some glue, and I recommend stick glue, but the only thing I have is liquid glue. The only different thing is that it's gonna take a little bit longer to dry, but that's okay. And so I'm gonna cover the petal with the glue. And make sure it's not too much, because then it's gonna come out of the flower. And then we are going to stick it together. Alright. And now I repeat this process for all of the other 6 flowers. Alright, now this is kind of the tricky part, but I'm gonna try to explain as much as possible. So you're gonna get one flower and put glue on the tip of the petal, just like I made it, and then place the left petal on top of the one on the right, and then the right petal on top of the left of the top flower. So you just put them on the sides. And now that you've put the sides, you're going to put another flower, but this one is going to go on top. So you alternate. Include the top 3. So you can place your flower. Alright, now you're going to glue on the left and on the right of the top flower. And remember, it's just a tip, and I messed up right there. All right, now we pick it up and we go ahead and put a little dot. If you glue the whole petal, then whenever you open up the card, it's not gonna open up. It's gonna be stuck together. So you want it to pop out. All right, and now that you have done that, you put the little the middle flower on top to glue everything. Put everything together. All right, so now you press on it and then let it dry. And then I'm gonna get another piece of paper, and so for this one I'm just going to create my own little design. You can put whatever you want on your card, if it's for a loved one, Valentine's, for their birthday. And I'm just gonna make little bumps inside of the heart, and on the outside I'm gonna outline it with little dashes. And then I'm gonna write I and U and color it. And then we are going to glue the flower. So I place it in the middle, and then I glue the middle petal, and I put a big circle on it, and I place it right on the crease carefully, and then close and press. All right, now we're gonna flip it over and open it and make the same little circle as the other side with the glue, and close and press. All right, so that is the card, and then when you open it up, it looks like that. We have our flower and it popped out. Did you see the sides? They came out. And then I just added some leaves. That is totally optional. Well, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more card pop-up videos or craft videos, let me know down in the comments below. And if you have other questions of how to make this card, please let me know and I would gladly respond to your questions.